Today I am going to share a new proxy site. You can use these proxies for various purposes. They work well for everything like survey, CPA and for ad clicks. Currently they are not banned most of the platform. So the proxy I am sharing today, it's very high quality proxy. Let's take a look at the proxy. I will leave the proxy site link in description. You can check it. First let's check use cases. You can use it for wide range of purposes. You can use this proxy for e-commerce, market research, social media management, এরপরে brand protection, SEO monitoring, web scraping and many more purposes. Now let's check the products. They offer rotating proxies, static proxies, SOX proxies, residential proxies, ISP proxies and data center proxies. On the site you will see web unblocker and mobile proxies, which are very special optimized. Mobile proxies deliver top performance. It also says here high performance mobile ISP. However, the price is little bit higher for mobile proxies, but you can use for any task, any kind of purpose. Now let's the prices. Go to the pricing section. Here the rotating residential proxy, that cost is $0.77 per GB. That means only 77 cents per GB cost. The unlimited proxy plan cost $66 per day. This is per day cost. After that, here is rotating data center proxy. You will not find any site they provide rotating data center proxy, but here it is. There are also rotating ISP proxy. This is very good proxy. You can use it for any purpose. Next is static proxy. This cost is fixed price. If you want an ISP specific IP, you can contact the support. They will provide your ISP like AT&T, Verizon, Comcast, Cogent. A dedicated data center proxy cost about $2.5 per month. Now check SOX proxy. If you have used 9 proxy, PyProxy, ABC proxy, this proxy is like this, but this is better than them. If I open SOX proxy here, you will see the packages. You can get minimum 2000 IPs. That cost is $45. The time period is unlimited. 400 IPs cost $62. 600 IP cost $78 and 1200 IPs cost is $108. The IP cost is very cheap. You will get more IPs here like 3000 IPs $270, only 9 cents per IP. If you want the proxy lowest price, you can contact with me. I can provide you at lowest price. Now sign up here. I have already signed up, so I just log in. Here are interface of rotating, static and SOX proxies, daily proxies, mobile proxies and PyProxy. I have already purchased a package. Let's take a look. Here you can check the balance. Now you can see I have already 5 GB available. This is very high quality proxy. You can use it for tasks like Gmail creation, text now, Google Voice and many more purposes. Let's take a USA proxy. Select USA as a location, then select the protocol, click on generate API. You will be promoted to whitelist your IP, which is done automatically. Then confirm it. After confirmation, open the link provided. There you will get whitelist IP and go to your account setting. Under IP whitelist, paste it. My IP is already whitelisted. Now go to get proxy. Here username and password authentication. Now choose your desired country, state. For example, I selected USA. Then select an ISP. You can choose your desired ISP, as you can choose your preferred one. Next, choose the rotation setting. First you need to create a sub account. Go to sub account section. Create a user by adding username, password and assigning traffic. I added 1 GB. This means the user can use only 1 GB. To help you better understand, I will give you a giveaway 1 GB package for 5 users for free. Just a small contest. I will pick 5 commenter within 48 hours of upload. I will choose the last commenter. Each of them will get 1 GB free for testing. So don't forget to like the video and comment must. I will announce the winner after 48 hours. Now let's continue. I have selected ISP. Didn't change hostname. Here is your proxy. You will see the IP address, port, username and password. You can generate unlimited IPs. I chose 50 IPs. You will get a list of IP, port, username and password, which you can use it for set up your proxy. That's it. Now you can use the IP for anything. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you face any issue, feel free to comment. I will help you to solve them. These proxies work with most platforms. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more updates.